Well, we got a waterfalls here today. I'm going to try to get up a little closer to that and see what it's called. So let's go. We only got a few minutes here, like 15 minutes. We're a little closer to the waterfall here. Water's coming down. Feels a little cooler here. It's nice. Even though it's hot outside, we get a nice cool breeze from the waterfall. Let's try to go up a little closer. Well, here's a little view from the top. I don't know if I'm going to walk much further going up. There's still an uphill climb. You really want to go up, but this gets you the main view of the falls here. And we look down there. That's from whence we came, down there in the parking lot. So don't have the name. I'm going to take a picture to get the Latin long. I'll look it up on the map afterwards. Okay, there you go. Yeah, these are the steps that we had to walk up to get up to this point. And then once you get up here, there's still even more steps that go up and another viewpoint further up. I don't know what else you're going to see because it seems like most of the falls are right here, but there's a trail. But I'm going to head back down now. Go back downhill. We only got another 8 minutes or so here. Okay. And this is just, the wind's blowing a little bit, so this is just more further back from the falls. So, and you can just about see the steps through the trees up there going up to the top. Almost lost my hat there. Okay, gotta turn the camera off. Bye. Well, if you read French, you're in luck. Because there's French. There's a map down there. So, Frenchies, be happy. There you go. Beautiful view up here. Nice and cool. Nice breeze. See the snow in the mountains in the distance over there. And we're just stopping here a few minutes before we check into our hotel. Killing some time. And then over here, we got this other famous building over there. I forget what that's called. The fort or something, or the castle. That's the kind of house that I'd like to have. Lots of room. And some people to take care of it too. So, okay. Okay, we're in luck. We got one that's in English here. It says, you are here. Right there, all right. Wildlife corridors around here. Okay. So here we are. Banff National Park, right there. Up in Canada. And there's the castle that we saw across the way. And I'll have to look that up, see what it's called here. I don't see the name of it, but it's a hotel or something there. There's Sulphur Mountain. I think we're going to do the gondola ride like I did 5 years ago up to the top. So I don't have to do the whole walk up to the weather station because I've already been there. So I can relax when I go up there. All right. There's the bride and groom down there, just missed coming out, whatever. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
And shortly after that, when the cave-in basin was discovered, the general manager of the CP Rail, which was Cornelius Van Horn, decided that he wanted to build the hotel right in this location. And of course, everyone that was going to be taking the Canadian Pacific Railway from the east and coming into Banff, they would be stopping at Banff and coming to the Banff Springs Hotel. So that was the whole reason of the hotels along these stops in the Rocky Mountains. And he wanted the hotel to be in this exact position here because of the Bow Falls. And then we have Sulphur Mountain, and Sulphur Mountain is called Sulphur Mountain because of the sulphur hot springs on the mountain. So it was essentially meant to bring the hot water over to the hotel, so the guests would be using that nice hot spring water for their baths. The hotel did have a major fire in 1926, and the entire hotel burnt down. When we go to the hotel in a couple of days from now, there's an area where they have some old photos and you can actually see the hotel that's up in flames. They were able to rebuild the exact replica of the hotel. So after the 1926 fire, they rebuilt the hotel, and it has been the same hotel ever since then. The hotel has around, I think, about close to 800 rooms. Where we're seeing this hotel right now, that's where all the rooms are located. On the other side of the hotel, there's a lot of conference center there. It's a huge facility. There's a bowling alley, a little mini grocery store as well. The hotel also has its own golf course, which is just down in the valley down this way. We can't see the golf course from here, but when we're on top of Sulphur Mountain tomorrow, you'll be able to have a good look. So if you can see that hotel in the distance there, that's the Rim Rock Hotel. And right from the Rim Rock, the gondola is going way up to the very top. Can you see the very top?
Yeah,
yeah, and you can kind of see the gondola glistening in the sun. So that's where we're going tomorrow, to the very top of the mountain. And then if you kind of see that little U dip there, between the next peak to the right, it's almost looks like a really tall tree almost. That's a tiny little building, and you can do a nice boardwalk from those two peaks, which is really nice up there as well. So there's a lot of steps involved, but it is a boardwalk, and you can do that there as well. The hotel, of course, is a Fairmont hotel, and it is the only Fairmont hotel in Canada that is the last of what it looks like here. The only one that looks close to a castle in the Rocky is the Fairmont Frontenac, which is in Old Quebec City. Yeah. Most of them have been renovated recently into a newer version of the Fairmont hotel chain. Banff Springs Hotel has stayed to its original look here as the castle in the Rockies. It's quite expensive to stay. It's around $400 a night or more. There's a lot of bars, restaurants. They still do old-fashioned balls that go on here in the hotel. During COVID, when no one was coming here, it was buy one night, get one night free for the Canadians. So I didn't go.